Hello guys, welcome to JRF Edu Sites channel. Guys, today we will see the books in comparative politics. So let's start. The first book is comes to that Democracy and Its Critics, which is written by Robert Dahal, Putnam, the okay, civic tradition in modern Italy. Book is written by Putnam. End of History and the Last Man, which is written by Francis Fukuyama. The Civic Culture. This book is written by Amand, and this is not Powell. Eh, Here comes Sydney Verba. Sydney Verba. Okay, so the civic culture, which is written by Amand and Sydney Verba. The Fault Lines of Civilization, which is written by the Samuel P. Huntington. Dependency. This book is written by Samir Amin. Political Economy, जिसके author हैं रोनाल्ड एच चिलकोटे. The next one is the political system, which comes in 1953, is written by David Easton. A framework for political analysis, which comes in 1965. Once again, it's written by David Easton. A system analysis of political life in 1965, which is written by also David Easton. Democracy. This book is also once again written by the A.R. Blaster, C.B. Macpherson, Real World of Democracy. Okay, the Participation and Democratic Theory. This book is written by C. Petman. Models of Democracy. This book is written by the David Helt. Okay, for next थे हमारे डेमोक्रेसी. इसके राइटर कौन है? ए आर ब्लास्टर. द रियल वर्ल्ड ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. दिस बुक इज रिटन बाय सेबी मैकफर्सन. पार्टिसिपेशन एंड डेमोक्रेटिक थ्योरी. इसके राइटर हैं सी पेटमैन. द मॉडल्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. इसके राइटर हैं डेविड हेल्ट. Next, we see the books written by Marx in increasing order. The thesis on Feuerbach, 1845 में. German ideology. This book also comes in 1845, which is written by Marx. A poverty of philosophy, which comes in 1847. Communist manifesto in 1848. Contribution to the political economy. This comes in 1859. Where approaches to the study of politics are young. Dynamics of modernization. This book is written by C.E. Black. Influencing voters are Roach. Studies in political development. This book is written by J.S. Coleman. Then the Gunnar Myrdal, Indian drama. This book is also written by the Gunnar Myrdal. Models of democracy. इसके author हैं Gunnar Myrdal. Grammar of Politics. This book is written by Lasky. राजनीति के सिद्धांत विल्सन. The Development of the Monistic Theory of History G.B. Plekhanov. फिर है Phenomenology of Spirit. इसके राइटर हैं हीगल. Political Culture and Political Development, which is written by Lucian Pye and Sydney Verba. Thank you.